my name is Janice Baeza, and this is my second year and third semester in my architectural career and attending ASU. I have completed a total of 12 ASU credits. One of those courses was online. Currently, I am taking 19 credit hours, and by the end of the semester, I would have completed 53 ASU credit hours. What I do like is learning, so every single day I study what I learn in order to ensure that I master concepts that I could later use on assignments. If I have multiple assignments due on one day, I do try to prioritize my assignments per due date, as well as the amount of credit I am going to earn for that assignment. With this pandemic, I have learned so many things about learning online. So one of those things is adaptation. Adaptation to the world around you is very essential, as well as adaptation to your client's needs, as well as adaptation to any project changes. So far, I have been a successful project manager when it comes to my architectural projects. I learned to adjust my client's requirements, my client being my professor. In this class, I took the role of the student when I learned different architectural concepts. I then later applied that to the world around me and on architectural buildings as well as landscapes in order to create a new product that I could then give to my client. These projects had to demonstrate my understanding of architecture as well as architecture concepts, as well as repetition with a touch of translation and contrast. So this project that I'm about to explain was an abstraction of an ASU building. So we took first a picture of the building and then abstracted the concepts at highlighting the lines, contrast, depth, repetition, translation, and then from that abstraction, we were able to complete a floor plan and create a new product. So this product had to stick to the floor plan as well as be a 3D representation of that abstraction that we did. This project was really difficult and fun, and I invested multiple hours in this final product, and it was a perfect representation of my version of that abstraction. Being a project manager of this project was a different experience, and my favorite part was actually constructing the scale model and having my client's views upon it, so her opinion, etc. The titles I would have would be architect, since I actually had to create that space and make that architectural sketch. So I was also the caretaker and project manager, since I had to ensure that it met quality criteria as well as meet the scope, which is the deadline. So I was a designer and actual constructor of that scale model. So I was basically my little team all in one. And these products have really showed me that time management is really my strong suit. What I did learn as well is that communication is not my strong suit. So in this project management course, I hope to communicate better with my client in order to meet quality criteria. I also want to learn how to identify more risk and learn to adjust more to them. Communication is mainly the one that I want to focus on and see that improvement, since communication is something I've always struggled with all my life. In this course, I will be contributing 3 hours a day per 7 days a week. If I do notice that if I try to invest more time into a product, then my focus and quality does go down. So 3 hours a day and coming back to it every single time ensures that I do try to give my best quality and best work. So thank you for listening to my video, and thank you so much for everything.